Let's talk about what's really happening on Capri Global as well. And let me welcome on board the management too and talk about how their performance has been. We've got Rajesh Sharma, the MD, joining in on the show right now. Rajesh, hi, great to have you today on ET Now. Wanted to understand how your earnings performance has been like, because from what I look at it and the trend in the industry, gold loans clearly, that AUM has grown very strongly, but the collateral in custody remained broadly flat for you on a sequential basis, and the average ticket size has increased. Tell me, what's your reading of how this segment is going to be in the next few quarters? Is recent gold loan growth primarily coming in from higher gold prices and larger ticket sizes rather than customer acquisition?
Thank you. So glad to share that this is the strongest quarter reported by Capri. We reported not only improvement in the margin, but also highest ever quarterly profit of 353 crore rupees. As regards gold loan growth, if you see, our total tonnage have grown from 19 ton to 20 ton. So there is an increase of almost about 5% gold in absolute quantity. And the AUM have grown from 16,000 to 19,000 crore, where now per branch we are at about 19 crore rupees per branch, which is quite high in terms of profitability perspective, and that is reflecting in the numbers. The way look at it, the gold loan prices have fallen 4% quarter-on-quarter basis, and despite that, growth has been very good. So I see the informal segment demand keep coming to the formal, all these small jewelers who also do the lending. Now that market is shifting to the formalized NBFC's banking system. So I see the next 5 to 10 years, the way gold loan market is tripled. Last 4 years, the gold loan prices have already 3 times. So I see a huge demand in this side, and the way the customer experience short-term borrowing money is like coming to ATM and taking money and giving in money back whenever they have surplus. So that gives a very good tool. So we are quite bullish. In fact, we intend to add about 400 branches in this current year in the gold loan itself. So we are quite excited about lending to these small retail loans backed by gold.
Interesting. But tell me, what would be the optimal mix when it comes to the gold loan faction in the entire product mix?
So I think the way we intend to grow more branches, while other segment will also grow MSME, affordable housing, small ticket size construction finance. The gold loan will grow a little faster. So overall basis, I think some point of time in next 2 years, gold loan will be in the range about 55% or so. And other segment will be in the range about 13 to 17% each.
And, Mr. Sharma, hi, this is Harsh here. So sir, your gold loan size, I mean, you've got a very, very strong gold loan book now. I mean, nearly 20,000 crore. Just talk to us, how many branches activated? Pretty much all, I would presume.
So currently we have about 1,000 branches. Yes. And by the year end, I think we should be active by about 1,400 branches. And for us, branches means that not only real estate, but acquires right kind of a talent and right kind of a risk mechanism, then only you go. So we are going very systematically. So opening the branch means not only the branch, but a lot of other things also we do.
How do you do that? How do you manage that? People is a concern. How do you hire?
So I think branch opening is not just taking one premises, one area on the lease and then you furnish it. That is not the branch we call it. Branch means where really you are able to hire the right talent, you train them, your culture, focus on the risk management, not only chasing the growth, but focusing on the yield also, because alone growth doesn't help. So you have to do a calibrated growth at a particular yield, and wherever we find the right mix of talent and who can mix in our culture, there only we open the branch. And second thing, we see where the large AUM is sitting. So suppose there is some places where already few NBFCs holding AUM of 300 crore rupees. That is the cluster you want to go, so that building AUM of 20 crore rupees in 3 years will not be a big challenge.
You've got 1,000 branches currently. How many of those have you activated your gold loan product in? If you could give us that perspective, all 1,000?
So total branches of Capri about 1,430 plus, but 1,000 branches is gold loan dedicated.
You said that the gold loan mix will shift downwards now, so growth will taper, or will growth continue to remain elevated? And sorry, yes.
So gold loan mix on the book currently is about 48%, and
Correct.
that will grow to about 55%.
Okay. So you'll continue to grow on the back of gold. That is going to be the crucial. Okay, understood.
Yes.
And your right, please. Okay, and your LTV currently is at 70-odd%, right? No concerns on that count at all.
No, so earlier LTV was a little lower because gold loan prices on the rise. Now gold loan prices are on the stable basis. So we believe that new disbursement and stability basis will happen in the range about 70%. And that is quite comfortable level to have a 30% margin on the gold prices. And the gold prices, when they fall, it doesn't fall 20% in one day. So you can always originate the margin calls and keep your collection mechanism strong, either by collecting additional money or by additional gold, to make up that margin in case the prices falls.
Your ROA levers, Mr. Sharma?
So I think we have done significant progress on the cost income ratio. ROA lever will be operating scale. And with the investment in technology, data science, and now we are adopting some of the AI tools. Very soon we are going to announce a partnership with some major two AI companies also to embed the AI layer across acquisition, underwriting, collection, call centers, data. So I think efficiency is a way to drive the ROA, ROE, and we are quite confident to deliver the ROE in the range of about 19-20% and ROE in the range of about 4.5%.
Right. Okay, Mr. Sharma, always good speaking with you. Thank you for your time today.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, that's the word coming in from Capri Global. Very hopeful and positive on what the gold loan growth is going to look like. It's been smart, and they anticipate robust performance coming in from there till the next fiscal as well. But NetWeb Technology